Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to a brand new video, and in today's video we are going to be building this racing lawnmower. You already know, part 2. If you haven't watched part 1, go watch it. We are going to be getting it started in this video, running, everything else like that. So yeah, if you want to see a clip of it running, look, put the clutch in, pull that out. You hear it want to start, right? So yeah, that clip right there is this starting. Nothing was done to it, or not starting, but cranking over because there was no gas in it. I have not had gas to start this thing, but we're gonna get started. So right now we're gonna be working on the steering and just the wiring. I'm gonna be looking at the steering and wiring. So checking out all the electrical stuff. I unplugged the lights for the front because those really don't be needed. I mean, I checked this, but like it doesn't crank over for some reason. So we need to figure out what it is. And I've been looking over here, but I don't really see any issues. I don't know. Let me guys know in the comments. But right now, we're going to tear apart this down there, because that's where the steering is. I think one of those teeth are broke, so I don't know. I'll see if I figure anything out. Okay, so I flipped this up, just checked the wiring underneath. We might need a new spark plug. I think this, I don't even know. That might be the spark plug. But, checked everything down here. Everything looks pretty good. Yeah. So I've been checking the wiring. All of this stuff looks good. I mean, none of it looks destroyed, like a mouse got to it or anything. Like, that's all the connections for the battery right there. Oh, you can't even see. My bad. Okay. This is all the connections for everything. I mean, it's dirty, but, like, nothing looks too bad in there, I'd say. All the connections look pretty fine. Transmission works good. You can see it move, but it's really dirty. But yeah, everything's working fine. So right now, I'm gonna be taking this off, and we're gonna look at the inside of this engine. So the first thing we're gonna be taking off, we took off this screw right here and this screw right here to come this thing, this cover right here, and yeah, there's the cover off right there. With those two little tiny bolts, we had to use a, what was it? A 1/4 inch, a 1/4 inch. So yeah, the time to get this whole engine cover off. Okay, so I got all the bolts out. So let's take this thing out, or off. Okay, got the engine cover off. Set it down right there. So I'm gonna clean this out real quick, and I'll get back with y'all. I mean, it doesn't look too bad. Yeah. We can deal with it. Alright, I'm gonna clean this out and get back with y'all. Okay, so I didn't really clean it out much, but I could probably wonder why it's not wanting to drive, because the gear isn't connected to anything, and I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be connected here. But I don't know. I mean, it looks like it should. But I don't know. I guess I'll figure it out. So I kind of figured it out. What it does there, you turn this on, and then you just do this, and then you kind of like, I don't know, my dad said it's supposed to do it on its own. It has oil in it, but you kind of just pull this up some. You gotta do it with two hands, but it kind of just goes up on its own, and then it starts spinning with everything. But I've done it so much that it locked up, so yeah, I'll get back to work. Okay, so I kind of figured out why this won't go when you turn the key. But it's because there's the battery. It doesn't have enough power to it to fire up the flywheel, which turns on this spindle. When you turn the key on, it's supposed to go up when you turn the key on and then start the thing. But it doesn't have enough power for that. So I'm going to see if I can get a new battery tomorrow, put in this bad boy, and then we should be able to start it. So I'll see you tomorrow when we work on this. So it's the next day, and I think I'm gonna put these two things back, and I didn't have time to buy a battery, because we're not leaving anywhere. But yeah, I'm gonna put these back on. fix it though. So, we got it running, and we need to fix the steering, and that's what we're gonna do next. And we're gonna weld a piece of bearing right here. Right here, we're gonna weld a piece of bearing to pull this over more, because none of the threads are broken. It just needs to be pulled over more, and then we'll be able to turn, and then we should fix the tires, and then we should be good to go and ready to put a new battery in, obviously, but that's about it. So we got it running. We got to figure out how to fix the transmission right there. I took out a thing that needs to stay there. So yeah, we got to fix that. We got forward working. We fixed reverse, because when you put it in reverse, it touched metal and it starts sparking, which was not good at all. And yeah, so we're gonna have her up and running. We gotta put tires in it. As you can see, they're still flat. But we gotta put a new battery in it, fix the steering, like I said. And so we should be in business. Okay, so it's the next day after, getting it started running. So I got a couple ideas what I want to do to this build, since I really don't know what to do, since we're not fixing the steering, because my dad's not here right now to help me fix it. But right now, what I want to do after we get it running, steel gas tank. We need to fix the transmission, because it's already fast and it's only in one gear. So I actually took the transmission out, and yeah, my bad. I didn't know it was for the transmission, so took that out. But we need to figure a way to put that back in, or just figure out how to manually shift gears another different way. But I don't know yet. So we got a couple upgrades. Like for this, I want to make a hood stack that comes straight up. So yeah, stay tuned for me building it.
Hey, so sorry for how long this damn video has been taking, but it's been like 2 months. Kind of forgot, got busy about the lawnmower, but now we're gonna take out the transmission, because we gotta figure out how to take the linkage, because we messed it up. So yeah.
The gear ratio on this thing? What? Hey, good morning, y'all. There's snow on the ground, and yeah, so that will be the end of today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that like, subscribe button. We got a lot done, as you can see. I finally got the belt on, got the small pulley on there, as you guys can see that. I need to just fit it all real quick. I think I need a smaller belt, but I'm not sure yet. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that like, subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.